Hello everyone, welcome back to our Excel tutorial series. In today's video, we're going to learn how to concatenate fruit names horizontally using Excel functions. Let's dive in. First, let's take a look at our sample data. We have a row of cells containing fruit names: apple, banana, orange, mango, and pineapple. To concatenate these fruit names horizontally, we'll use the TEXTJOIN function along with the transpose function. The formula we're going to use is type equal to type text join bracket open inverted comma start type comma inverted comma close type comma type true type comma type transpose bracket open select range of data bracket close. Press enter key for result. Now, let's break down this formula. TEXTJOIN function. This function allows us to concatenate multiple values with a specified delimiter. We'll use as the delimiter to separate the fruit names. True argument in TEXTJOIN. This specifies that we want to ignore empty cells when concatenating. Transpose function. This function transposes the range of cells from a row to a column, allowing TEXTJOIN to concatenate the values horizontally. And there you have it. The concatenated fruit names are displayed in a single cell, separated by commas. You can adjust the range, A1 E1, in the formula according to the location of your fruit names. That's all for this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.